Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert link in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert link in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Link menu. Here a menu appears like this. Now in this section type the text that will appear on your work page, for example I type this. And enter the link that you will insert into this column. After finishing tap Apply. Can be seen on the Google Docs work page has added the link that I entered earlier. Direct the cursor to the link. And I will try tap this link. Now you can see the results work well. So that's it, tutorial how to insert link in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.